Our first planting of potatoes was March 1st, and we started having dieback, so we pulled some today. Guess how many pounds of potatoes we got from those 12 potatoes you saw in that first picture? You gotta watch till the end. So, started to get some dieback on these potato plants. These were potatoes, they weren't planted from potatoes, they were planted from this Clancy potato seed. So I'm gonna see what's under here. This is one of the first plantings that we did. All right. All we had in that container was some roots. And that was from the Clancy potato seeds. But it's not 60 days yet. So it's supposed to go 90 days, but I don't think that was gonna develop into a potato. Okay, let's go to the next one. All right, this was actually the first bed that we planted with the store-bought potatoes, and they're just dying back, or either I'm impatient. Either way, I'm getting whatever's in here tonight. We got some babies. We got some babies. Yeah, these are definitely weren't gonna produce any big potatoes, it looks like, but if we had left them in the ground, you see all those little potato babies that would have matured and become potatoes. Well, the Clancy potato seeds failed me, but my store-bought red, store-bought yellow, and store-bought purple came through. And this is just from March 1st is when I planted these. So can you imagine if I had let them stay maybe another 25, 30 days, what we would have had. But the good thing about planting early and planting a lot is we have 11 more bags of potatoes and one more raised bed. So we're gonna have potatoes for days. Y'all stay tuned. Mr. Potato Digger, how you feel?
Laying in dirt. That's what I do.
Y'all stay tuned. That's my harvest. Okay, so we already weighed the red potatoes. They weighed 1 pound, 2 ounces. The purple weighed 1 pound even. We're about to weigh the yellow. So, Dre, what's your guess?
3.4.
3.4.
Yeah.
My guess is I'm going to go 4.1. Okay, so we're at 0. The basket we weighed it weighed 4 ounces. Dre said 3.2. I said 4.1.
I said 3.4.
3.4. I think he just changed it, but I'll check the video. We were both wrong.
What is it? 6?
Almost 3 pounds.
Well, I said 3.2.
We'll take it. That's 2 pounds, almost 15 ounces. So almost 3 pounds.